Sako Ammunition is not a licensed product. Sako Ammunition is crafted by the same renowned manufacturer that produces the legendary Sako and Tikka rifles in Finland. The first step in the process is taking the raw material for the casing and drawing it to the required length. In the case manufacturing cell, the raw piece of brass is drawn in 2 stages, and once it reaches its specified length, it is sent over to the press machine. Here, the casing will be shaped and stamped. The malleable brass is pressed into its final shape and will later be cut to its precise length and grooved. The press machine averages an output of approximately 10,000 casings per hour. The casing's next stop is the induction heating cell, where the mouth of the casing is heated by 2 induction coils to soften the metal in preparation for the insertion of the bullet. The mouth of the casing will actually change color due to the intense heat. The casings are then washed, cleaned, and sent for the final check. Highly trained workers do a visual inspection of every single casing. They ensure that no defects like scratched or dented casings make it to the next stage. Once the casing passes this final check, it is ready for bullet insertion. The bullet making process starts in a similar way to the casing process. Raw copper cups are drawn to a specific length to become the bullet jacket. The lead core is cut and bonded, then combined with the copper jacket. The lead is pressed into the copper jacket, then shaped and sized to form the finished bullet. Sako Ammunition is used in the accuracy testing of every Sako and Tikka rifle that leaves the factory. 1 million rounds are fired annually, ensuring that every rifle shoots 1 MOA or less groups at 100 meters. Careful crafting and attention to the smallest detail ensures that every round of ammunition will be on target for its hunters and shooters around the world.